Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone so WhatsApp can keep playing audio when the screen turns off. Open Settings, go to Apps, select WhatsApp. Once there, turn off battery optimization for WhatsApp and grant background activity or auto start permission. These two changes let the app run audio in the background instead of being paused when the display sleeps. Make sure to confirm any prompt dialogues after changing permissions, because without allowing background activity, the audio will stop when the screen locks. Next, refine system settings to avoid interruptions. Go to Display and set a normal sleep timeout. Extremely short times cause rapid screen-off behavior. Then confirm WhatsApp can use background data and has notification access. These keep playback controls active when the screen is off. After changing app or system permissions, restart the phone so Android applies the changes consistently. Once done, play a WhatsApp voice note to test. You should hear continuous audio even after the screen locks. Finally, test a real scenario. Play a voice message and press the power button to lock the screen. Audio should continue. If playback still stops, temporarily disable the global battery saver because some vendors force stop background apps despite permissions. If disabling battery saver fixes it, re-enable and add WhatsApp to any vendor-specific protected apps list. If problems persist, reinstall WhatsApp to clear corrupted app state. Troubleshooting tip: if audio halts unpredictably, check for a third-party task killer or manufacturer power manager and whitelist WhatsApp there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.